We're here with Kristen Ockett at the brand new Elan Vital. This is a gorgeous space. Tell us what happens here.
Thank you. So we designed this to be like a combination of medical spa and just an overall wellness clinic. So we do a little bit of everything. We want to be like a one-stop. You come here, we can make you feel better, help you look better. Kind of just generally when you can't get in to see your doctor, you can come here.
Really? So prescriptions, how does that work?
So we're full service prescriptions. If the pharmacy's closed, we can almost always give you your first dose of medications before you leave. As far as like med spa things, we do full service Botox, fillers. We do microneedling, lasers. We can do sutures for like acute care, like if you cut your hand and you need sewn up. So we're trying to do pretty much everything.
Yes, it's a wellness clinic. Why did you decide to open this?
That's a really good question. So my husband, Matt, and I both worked in the ER for 20 plus years. And over time, I just started to feel like I wasn't making a difference anymore. People came in, I would take care of them. I saw a lot of people every day. I spent very little time with them, not because I didn't want to, but because it's very busy and you just are very time oriented. And so it became less and less satisfying. And I wanted to do something where I felt like I was making a difference again. And so we thought about what we could do that would still feel medical and still impact people in different ways. And so I have really had a good learning curve towards like, what are all these aesthetics procedures and why do they work and how do they make people feel better and are they safe? And so that's what we've really been focused on is like what's medically proven to be effective. How can we use those procedures to make people look and feel their best? And so that's what we've really tried to do here is just provide a service that we can fill in, like if your primary can't see you, if you just want to have a fun spa day and you want to do some things to help you look better, great. That's we can do all of those things. And so that's what we wanted to focus on.
Will you show us around?
Sure. So this is our weight loss room. This is where we do most of our medical weight loss consultations. And then we have the scale. It's called the StyQ. And so it measures all of your body measurements and it gives you leg sizes. And so over time you can compare. And it also works for people that are doing like body contouring or that are working out and trying to develop certain areas. So they also can use this to see over time how it develops. And so it's been a really good tool because sometimes you don't lose a pound, but you lose inches.
Yes.
What this machine does is it uses electromagnetic pulses to cause muscle contraction. You could do like 1,000 crunches in like 30 minutes, basically. It's something that you have to stick with over time. You won't see results today, but it is something that over time, it does work. The medical side of this machine, and that's something we try to do with all of our equipment, is it's really good in terms of like physical therapy. So if you had surgery and you were not able to move around a lot, or you had cancer and you've been really sick and you're trying to rehabilitate, we can help strengthen up the muscles in your arms and your legs to help speed your recovery along. This is our laser room. We wanted it not to have windows so we don't accidentally give somebody a haircut out the window. We can do tattoo removal. We can do laser skin rejuvenation like the CO2 peels. We can do hyperpigmentation treatments. So the other thing that this one particularly treats is varicose veins and spider veins.
And this is out of pocket, is that right?
Yeah, so we're really transparent. We will tell you up front like what your costs will be basically for your visit with us, and then we charge you per supplies. And really that helps save money because we can be way more transparent about what the price is going to be instead of having to meet the insurance prices and talk to you about things that you might not be interested in talking about right now.
And you can see somebody right away and not have to wait for that.
Yeah. We almost always can fit you in the same day. And we're pretty available. So most of our clients, if they know that they need to come in, even if it's after hours, we usually can decide with them on the phone, do you need to see us today or can you wait till the morning? And if they need us today, we'll come in. We don't keep any narcotics here, but we do, we offer peptides, IV infusions, a lot of vitamins, and then we have antibiotics and things like that. So if you came in and you had a sinus infection and the pharmacy's closed, we can give you your first dose of medicine. We have our EKG machine, we can draw your labs, we can do splinting, we can sew up your lacerations, we can do all of the acute care things that you might need right now.
Do you also do acute care for younger patients?
We do. So we're all age, kids till elderly.
Okay.
And we really enjoy that. That's something that we both started with in the ER, and we like being able to see the full gamut of people. So it's been good.
Yeah. Well, we're going to show some treatments. We're not wearing makeup if you didn't realize, so that's why.
The microneedling machine helps rebuild collagen, and then it uses radio frequency to help do skin tightening.
Okay.
And the good thing about the microneedling machine is not only is it good for facial stuff, but it's really useful for people that have bad scars or stretch marks. It really clears up stretch marks on your belly or your inner thighs.
How many treatments would you say?
You can do a treatment every 4 to 6 weeks, and I think you just do them until you get the results that you want, and then you maintain every 6 months or so.
Okay. My face is so numb. I know, it's amazing.
It's not bad, is it?
No, it's not bad at all.
It makes your skin all glowy.
So I had the microneedling done,
Yes.
and it doesn't hurt at all. They do numb your face, which is such a weird feeling. But my skin has felt so soft, and my makeup and all my moisturizer is going on.
Right,
way
you mentioned,
easier.
you're like, oh, my makeup's going on easily, and my
Yes,
skin feels
it
great.
was amazing.
Like right away, you said
right
that.
away.
Yeah.
Yes. So I would highly recommend that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you'll get a treatment.
I will
here.
get a treatment, definitely. Yeah, can't
Yes.
get left out of that.
Right. Well, thanks to Kristen at Elan Vital here in Cedar Rapids.